Alright, y'all. So I happened on this road, and I draw 6 sevens on the road. Someone must have came out and got mad and erased it. So I came back and rewrite it. So I don't know why. So someone must have came in and then erased it right here. Someone must have put water on my numbers, but I rewrite them. So that's why I was like, it has been like a couple of days past, and then someone must have came out. I don't know which one who just came out. Someone who doesn't really like 6, 7. So I rewrite them, but this one I put all over the place. So that was just I don't think no one would ever erase 6, 7. So yeah, 6, 7, and I wrote 6, 7 kid. So anyways, I got the big air horn with me to see if I can really revenge someone for erasing my drawings. So here we go.
Run.
You guys, look. See it over there? Let's see.
Run. Run.
Alright, well, there's not many people around here, so I can prank if. Well, I couldn't find out. I did prank some couple people with air horns, but it's insane. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please like. Oh, and also I see some group of my neighbors having a party over there, so that's really cool. I pranked them too. Alright, by the way, thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, turn on all notifications. See you in the next one.